In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite account link failed already associated with a different account. First thing you want to do is you want to open Google Chrome. And over here, type in Epic Games. Go here and just log in into your account. Once you log in, you want to go here and click on account. So here you need to go to apps and accounts. So you should go to the place where you have the linked accounts. So it's here. So here you need to find the platform where you have your Fortnite account linked in. So once you find it, you simply want to disconnect your account from. So you can go here and you will be able to see a disconnect button. So for example, if you scroll down, you will see your linked accounts. So your account is my account is linked here and here and here. So let's say I want to disconnect like from, let's say, GTA. I would just go here and just go and do the stop sharing data. So once you find your platform and go here and click unlink to unlink the account, what you want to do is sign out of this Epic Games account and log into the another Epic Games account and simply log in and connect the account to the platform. So you would basically right click, you would see like just like here, you would click on it and you would link it just by clicking continue, and this should fix your issue.